Hey y'all, what's going on YouTube? Or shall I say hello world. It's your boy 5 to the 10 aka Fever. Man, today I'm going to do a review on Lucky's hot chicken. Shit, I don't even know what to tell y'all. I don't want to talk too much. Y'all might not even get this review. But hey, it is what it is, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Well, here we go, y'all. Lucky's hot chicken. The last chicken sandwich I had, this is the lucky as fuck. Excuse my language. Lucky AF. The last one I had was the, I can't even think of the name of it. I should have did a review on it because it was so hot. It made the back of my neck sweat like crazy. So, but this is the Lucky AF. Y'all don't need to see me eat it. Yeah. Yeah, this one got some kick too. God. This one kick hard. It got a, as soon as you bite into it, it kicks. Oh. And this is just the Lucky AF, really hot. But the first one I had was the best of luck. And when I tell you that thing had me sweating like crazy, it was good though. When I first bit into it, it was straight. But I guess I should. It looks like it got some coleslaw, some pickles in it. And I'm not sure what type of sauce, but I love spicy food. This got a little bit of kick when you first bite into it. And they fries apparently are seasoned with a secret spice blend. So I'm not sure what it is. They're not spicy to me, but they got a tangy flavor. Got a tangy flavor to it. So, y'all make sure y'all stop by and check out Lucky's hot chicken if you haven't already. And if you have, drop a comment and let me know what you think about it. And matter of fact, go try that hottest chicken sandwich. Go try that best of luck and let me know how it affected you. Yeah, I'm three bites in, y'all. This is nothing like the best of luck, but it is spicy. So, but this is called the Big Lou. The Big Lou comes with 2 strips. The regular chicken sandwich comes with 1. So, and this is a cashless restaurant. They only accept cards.
Get away from this tragic and pain, trying to stay in my lane. I'm driving insane, I'm stressing my brain. I'm thinking a lie, feel like I died a couple of times. So I'm spitting these rhymes, no more hope inside. I'm like Trey, pull over, man. I don't wanna be a gangster soldier, man. I ain't thugging, man. No rest for the game banging, they snitching and name changing, and I ain't have time for the dope game. My brother damn near got me shot and hang for some dope, man. And ain't no man. I'm in this car chase, they trying to kill a nigga cause my brother was a crackhead.